Sure. Yeah, well, Drunvalo, Melchizedek, and Nassim Haramein are both very much tapped into the geometry of the structure of space. And Drunvalo talks about the flower of life and the more esoteric spiritual traditions and related ideas from various cultures that relate to that symbol. And Nassim Haramein is very specifically going into the details of the physics surrounding that symbol and the physics of the structure of the universe and why it would make sense that the geometry of space-time is a geometry that is embedded in the structure of all things, which is the flower of life symbol and the flower of life geometry. Nassim talks about the tetrahedral aspect of the geometry of space, and the flower of life is when you put spheres around all the tetrahedrons of the geometry of space. I actually happen to have a necklace on here that's a 64 tetrahedron grid, and it's the smallest number of tetrahedrons you need to start to form what is this infinite fractal division of space-time geometry. And when you put spheres around all these 64 tetrahedrons, it overlaps, those spheres overlap and creates 84 little petal structures called the Vesica Pisces. And as a unit, if you flatten that image onto a 2D surface, it is the flower of life symbol that we find all around the world. So Nassim Haramein and Drunvalo Melchizedek are very much talking about the same thing, but just from different perspectives. So if you have a perspective on Drunvalo's work, this is a great way to go deep into the technical aspect of the physics and how that relates. And then Nassim goes on to look at all the ancient cultures and all the religious traditions of the planet and shows how everybody is encoding that same set of information in a different way. So it's a truly fully unified field theory that goes and really talks about everything in the entire universe and connects it all together. Thanks very much, everybody, for checking out this brief video. I hope that it's piqued your interest and that you'll go and look into this information for yourself. You can find more information at theresonanceproject.org. My website is jamiejanover.com, and I'll be traveling around the world doing festivals and presentations on unified field theory for many years to come. And please do look into this information for yourself. There's a ton of information out there, and I highly encourage everybody to spread this information far and wide so that we can really help make the changes that we want to see happen in the world happen right now.